Hello and welcome to City University. A beautiful day always begins with a beautiful mindset. So on the same note, I, Aditi, TPO from CRC Department, City University, on behalf of whole City family, would like to extend a very warm welcome to you all for gracing this beautiful morning. Today we have our special guests, speakers, Ms. Ritika Singh, who will be present with us virtually, Mr. Hitesh Kumar Gulati, and Mr. Surinder Vikram Singh from TAI University, Chandigarh chapter, who will be putting light on fostering entrepreneurship to our young, aspiring and yet upcoming entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is basically to expand, to grow, and to evolve yourself, society, and the world. You have the power to change your future. You have the power to design your future, to design your life however you want. Understand your prime goal to life. Identify what's your actual agenda to your life. To take this session further, may I please invite Mr. Ati Priyasar, who is Director Planning and Development, Advisor to the Vice Chancellor Sir, Conveyor Technology Business Incubator TBI, City Business Foundation, City University for the formal welcome of our guests.
Dignitaries present over here and to my student community, welcome to this amazing session today. And I'm sorry for keeping you waiting for so long. We were waiting for some other students to join. So, about City University. City University always has a vision, and we always try to carve a path for the students where we try to mold the students, the young minds who are enthusiastic and vibrant, so that we can turn them into a successful entrepreneurs. And for particularly this reason, we have established City Business Foundation, which is chaired by Dr. J.K. Sharma sir, and we also have set up an entrepreneurship development cell on the guidelines of National Innovation Startup Policies. The main aim is to cultivate the young mindset of the students so that they can be, they can start there and embark their journey of the entrepreneurship world. And dear students, you have this amazing opportunity today to interact with the revered stalwarts of entrepreneurship ecosystem we have with us today. They'll be sharing their startup journey, they'll be sharing about TAI University. So it's a great opportunity for you, and it's indeed a great day for you to learn many new things from these dignitaries. So before we begin with this, I request Dr. J.K. Sharma sir to please come on the dais and welcome the dignitaries with us happenings. Sir, please.
Thank you so much, sir. To begin our today's session, may I first invite Mr. Hitesh Kumar Gulati, who is chairperson to TAI University, to kindly introduce the TAI Chandigarh and its objectives.
Thank you so much, Ms. Aditi. And first of all, on behalf of TAI Chandigarh, I would like to express gratitude to Dr. J.K. Sharma for giving us an opportunity to share more about TAI Chandigarh and TAI University with the students, or you can say young aspiring professionals of City University. And special thanks to Ati Priyasar also for giving us this particular stage to share more about TAI Chandigarh. So coming straight forward to what exactly TAI Chandigarh is doing. So TAI Chandigarh is one of the most vibrant chapter across the vast TAI network. In the past 14 years, it has continuously taken the lead and hopes to build on its strength to create an increasingly positive ecosystem for the entrepreneurs and investors. With a strong mentor support base, various events throughout the year covering various aspects of entrepreneurship, expanding into new geographies and business and organization management, and multiple opportunities to showcase and network, TAI Chandigarh has emerged as one of the biggest platforms supporting entrepreneurship. And TAI Chandigarh boasts of 300 plus experienced entrepreneurs and business executives as charter members and aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals as members. TIE has a singular focus on wealth creation through entrepreneurship. It inspires and educates budding entrepreneurs, holds regular workshops and network meetings, provides role models and one-to-one mentorship. It has 200 plus industry members and over 11,000 patrons in the region. So at Chandigarh chapter, we organize approximately 2 to 3 events in a month to build around mentoring and nurturing startup at the idea or stage talent. And the mission of TIE Chandigarh is to foster entrepreneurship through mentoring, networking, education, funding and incubation. So these are the 5 pillars of TIE Chandigarh. So thank you so much. With this, I hand it over to Ms. Aditi.
Thank you, sir. Today, now I would like to request our first speaker of the day, Ms. Ritika Singh, to kindly enlighten our students and address our students with their success story. To introduce this speaker, Ms. Ritika Singh, she is a content writer, blogger, editor, ghostwriter, digital marketing specialist, brand strategist, and an entrepreneur evangelist. She is the founder and CEO of Content Factory. Content Factory helps brands create, nurture and strengthen their brand equity through content, outreach, PR and engagement through mainline and outline media, social media and online platforms. She has been associated with various organizations of repute in different capacities. She is a champion at Shiro's, the largest social networking app and personal app for women. Chapter lead for TIE Women in Chandigarh, helping women entrepreneurs feel empowered and assisting them to scale. She is also a board member of the Prasann Chitas Foundation. It's an NGO that fights against child sexual abuse. Steering committee member of the TIE Young Entrepreneurs 2019 and 20, co-team member of TEDx Chandigarh too.
Okay, thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. Thank you so much for having me on your platform. Big thanks to the university for arranging a virtual link at the last minute. I was supposed to be with you all in person, but unfortunately due to a health problem, my back gave us yesterday and I'm still managing to sit with a hot water bottle. So biggest lesson learned for life. I remember going to my mom in the evening yesterday and telling her, 46 years ke ho gaye, par abhi bhi andar ka bachpana gaya nahi. Mama, I had to go, I had to travel tomorrow, don't know what to do, how we are going to manage it, etc. etc. So Mama ने देखा बेटा मैं तो बोलती थी ना कि पहले हेल्थ के ऊपर कुछ नहीं होता. So कभी-कभी मम्मी की बात भी सुन लेनी चाहिए. But thank you so much once again. I have my the best teammates, both Hitesh and Surinder, who are with you today, and big thanks to Mr. Sharma, PPS, Aditi, and everybody who's bringing this up and making this virtual thing happen for me. I am genuinely grateful. And nothing beats a physical presence. I understand that, but abhi kaam chalana hai, so we are doing something. So. I'd like to start my story by telling you a little bit about my background. I am a Fauji kid. I was born in Chandigarh, and since my dad was a fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force, hopped and skipped the entire country. And unfortunately, in 1990, we lost him in an air crash, and we guys moved to Chandigarh because my grandparents belong to Chandigarh. And pretty independent, and learned to understand life a little sooner than other people. We got married in 2000. And moved to Bombay, then came back to Chandigarh again. And 2012 was probably, I like to divide my life into these two parts. There was one in 1990, before 1990. 1990 to 2012 was another second innings. And I think today my life starts at 2012 and post. 2012 I went through a very bad patch in life, and finances was an issue. And giving my professional background, I was a master's in English literature. Always wanted to do something, wanted to go to Oxford, study, do whatever. Unfortunately, things didn't happen. And typical, Indian mindsets where I said I wanted to tell my mom कि मुझे जाना है कुछ काम करके, I want to do something. And every time it would all boil down to something like this, that अरे बच्चे अभी तो शादी हो जानी है, पता नहीं कहाँ होगा, where your husband will be, whether he'll allow you to work, ये वो this and that. फाइनली वो इतनी सारी बारी ये बातें मैं सुन चुकी थी कि मुझे कुछ भी करना था, एवरी टाइम द सिचुएशन वाज कि शादी पता नहीं कहाँ होगी, कैसे होगी. सो फिर मैंने कहा चलो सब कुछ छोड़ो, शादी कर लेते हैं. मतलब फिर शादी पे फोकस कर लेते हैं, एटलीस्ट लाइफ तो पता चलेगी, राइट जाएगी, लेफ्ट जाएगी, कहाँ जाएगी. So then I stopped doing. I was doing my PhD and I stopped doing that after my masters. मैं कहा शादी करनी तो शादी कर लो. So 2-3 साल तक ऐसे टाइम पास करते रहे, कुछ ना कुछ. Finally frustration में आके at the age of 24 I decided कि चलो कहीं पे immigration कंपनी में काम मिल रहा था. So मम्मा से बहुत झगड़ा करके ऐसे मम्मी जब होगी तो होगी. 2 साल से हम कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं है. तो मैं कुकरी की कोर्सेज कर रही थी, ब्यूटी का कुछ कर रही थी, पर ऐसे नहीं हो रहा. I need to work. So I started working in an immigration company, got a little bit of exposure, and 2000, this is 1999, and by 25 I was married with my husband, blah blah blah, वो सब हो गया. Yeah, I think somewhere in between वो कहीं पे गिरा तो वो ज़्यादा था कहीं ना कहीं पे कि कुछ करना है. So I remember in 2007 when I had my daughter, कहीं पे अंदर से लगा कि advertising and PR का कोई कोर्स करना है, because copywriting का शुरू से बहुत शौक था. I was a huge fan of writing and a very very voracious reader. The reason I'm giving you this background is for you to understand that I loved what Aditi just, when we had a conversation just before my session, I loved what Aditi said that ma'am आपकी success story. So it just set me thinking that success को कैसे आप define करोगे? How do you define? So the reason I'm giving you my background is for you to understand that success sometimes is measured not always by what the world is performing, but also where you were 10 years back and where you are today, right? So I'm not saying that world benchmarks don't matter. Yes, there are definitely lots of men and women out there who are, at least 1,000 times more successful than I am. But at this stage in life, when you're 46 years old, I think sometimes it's a good idea to just pat yourself on the back and see कि कहाँ पे आप थे और आज कहाँ पे हो. So in 2012, I went into financial distress. I was emotionally challenged. I was financially challenged, and entrepreneurship का तो नाम भी नहीं सुना था. Spelling जरूर आते होंगे, but नाम भी नहीं सुना था. And started to pick up a job इधर-उधर in a small PR agency. पैसे की बहुत होती हैं. I had 2 children to raise. So life was very very tough at that point of time. Moved cities from Bombay to Chandigarh. Cultural shock अलग लग रहा था. So all of those things are happening in one shot. And I remember somehow, somewhere in between, somebody mentioned something about content writing, and they said, "Acha, chalo, let's do." I'm assuming the introductions have been done, so you probably have a good enough idea about what I do for a living and what the name of my company is, because I was glad to that. So, anyways, then somebody mentioned content writing. ऐसे ठीक है, ये तो कर लेंगे. तो मैंने कहा करना क्या होता है उसमें? तो somebody said कि कुछ नहीं मैम, आपको एक बुक दे देंगे, एक पैराग्राफ सा, we'll give you a couple of pages. आप उसकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी ठीक करते हैं ना. So वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी एक्चुअली स्टार्ट हुई एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. जो PR एजेंसी में काम कर रही थी वो बंद हो गई, काम नहीं चला. समथिंग हैपेंड, मल्टीपल इश्यूज, एंड इसी दौरान में आई मेट माय मेंटोर, एंड जिनके पास मेरे को एक नई नौकरी मिलने वाली थी, एंड ही सेड दैट you join us in December. This is I think 2012-13. And I said, ठीक है sir. So by the time I joined them in December, इन लोगों का कुछ अता पता नहीं था. Their office had shut down. All of that had happened. And मैं रोते लोगों को फोन कर रही हूँ. मैं कहा सर वो आपके चंडीगढ़ वाले तो उठा नहीं रहे. आप I don't know what's happening. I mean I'm ready to join. I mean it's already 5 days hence. महीने की शुरुआत हो चुकी है. मेरे को तो उस टाइम पे पैसे नजर आ रहे थे कि आते हैं तो मंथ बिलिंग चाहिए मुझे. I need to get my money. And he says, "Oh, I'm sorry, Ritika, वो तो बंद हो गया हमारा, तो कुछ भी नहीं हमारे पास." And मैंने भी I'm an entrepreneur. I also had, this is my venture. I was a co-founder. उसमें जितने पैसे लगे थे वो तो खत्म हो गए. So then I am completely broke. आज तक जिंदगी में जितना कमाया सब कुछ चला गया. I said, "Oh damn, अब what to do? What next?" And I was crying on the phone like a baby. I was telling them, I said, "Sir, मेरा तो कुछ करो. मेरे पास तो पिछली नौकरी भी नहीं है. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं." Typical रोना धोना, all of that happened. Very very unprofessional. So उसके बाद then I think a couple of days later he said कि अच्छा ठीक है Ritika, I am trying to do something. I write a blog and I would love to give you some work, but I will not be able to give you money. तो मेरा फिर से रोना चालू. ऐसे सर पैसे ही तो मुझे चाहिए, आप पैसे के बगैर चलेगा कैसे ऐसे? And He said, no, I don't have the money. So what I can do is I can get you projects. I am still pretty respected despite losing money in my business, in my startup. I'm pretty well respected. There are people who are still willing to work with me. So I will give you lots of work. I will make the introductions, but you do this work for me. So it is like a barter. I said, ठीक है मैं मरता क्या ना करता. I said something is better than nothing. I had all the time in the world to kill. I didn't have the money, and I was willing to learn. So that's how my journey started, and as of today, we have a team of 14, 15 girls that we are working with. I am a digital marketing specialist, I'm a social media expert, I do content writing, I'm a post writer, and 9 years have been a very, very long journey. The reason why we are here today is not to give you any ज्ञान in terms of ये कर लो वो सब आप लोगों को इंटरनेट गूगल इधर उधर you will get enough, there is enough happening around you. The reason why I am here today and sharing my story is because I wanted to explain to you and tell you that how tough these journeys of entrepreneurship can be if you don't have a background or you don't understand the language. मेरा एक favorite joke है, when I went for my first interview for this particular job, right? I didn't have the time to do my homework well. I was busy trying to manage a couple of things. So this gentleman was sitting across the table with me. He says, Ritika, I hope you got the time to Google me up. I said, no, sir, I'm sorry. He says, okay, go home, look it up. We are an incubator. We do this, we do that. We are opening this. हम ये करें. उसका language सारा मेरे को overhead transmission हो रहा था. Boss, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा था. I was stuck on the word incubator. Because मैं बार बार सर को ये बोल रही थी, I said सर वो सब तो ठीक है, I will not do a field visit. So उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा था field visit, नहीं नहीं रितिका ट्रैवल ट्रूवल कुछ नहीं है, I said नहीं सर मैं फील्ड पे नहीं जाऊंगी. You know why? Because मेरे दिमाग में incubator तो chickens का वाला चल रहा था कि incubator मतलब chicken farm होगा. I can't even hear you people laugh, but I'm telling you it is a genuinely funny story. जब मैं हंसती हूँ मेरा तो मतलब I can't stop laughing that the level of my ignorance in terms of the startup world about what happens, the language was different. और मैं बार बार उनको ये बोल रही थी कि सर मैं फील्ड विजिट नहीं करूँगी, सर मैं फील्ड विजिट नहीं करूँगी. और मैं सोच रही थी मन में यार वो तो चिकन की स्मेल छोड़ती है, मेरा तो नोज वैसे ही सेंसिटिव है, ये वो उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू when he was talking about an incubator, this is what I thought. When he mentioned the word accelerator, I was like, dude, इनका गाड़ियों का भी कोई business होगा because accelerator तो कार में होता है. So maybe they manufacture accelerators. I really don't know what was going on. I was that ignorant. It's been a year, years long journey, years as in years, 8-9 years हो गया हमें काम करते हुए. And I really wish at times that we had more supportive ecosystem around us. Yes, I was lucky, I was fortunate, I was fighting for money. I wanted to earn that money so badly because of my children that मुझे कुछ भी मिला मैं कर रही थी. Whatever work came my way, I was doing it. So I was driven by an agenda, right? My entrepreneurship journey is not a very fancy story to tell कि लोग कहते हैं ना कि मुझे बहुत passion था writing का. I was like a very nice, reader, I was copywriter, I was this, मैं poems लिखती थी, मैं गाना लिखता कुछ नहीं है boss. The reason I'm an entrepreneur here today was only because I needed to earn the money. कुछ भी मिल रहा था, somebody mentioned content writing कि वहाँ चल पड़े. किसी ने टपरवेयर बोला वहाँ नहीं काम चला, किसी ने आमदे बोला वो नहीं चला, कुछ और किया, nothing worked. This just somehow fell into place. I found mentors, I found a lot of good people in the ecosystem. I was willing to learn and I pushed my limits कि जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Because इससे पहले for those 10-12 years that I was married, I was just a housewife. And when I say just a housewife, I mean it not as something that is to be looked down upon, but I'm just telling you for me, because I am a businesswoman today, I'm a single parent, I'm raising 2 children, my children are growing up, I'm doing work with time, there are 100 other things that I'm managing as of today. So that's why when I say just a housewife, I mean it in that context. I wish at that point of time the ecosystem was far more supportive. A lot of our mistakes that we made as entrepreneurs would have been avoided. I think छोटी-छोटी बातें होती हैं, even small little things like taxes. I had no idea how taxes work. Boss, मतलब invoice बनाना itself was such a big thing for me. मतलब घर में ये मजाक होता था कि आज मामा invoicing के लिए बैठी है तो because I'm a work from home business. आज मामा इनवॉइसिंग के लिए बैठे हुए थे, आज मामा को डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते, टुडे मामा इज गोइंग टू बी अ फ्रैंकी पर्सन। आई मीन दैट, वो हाथ था मैथ्स में, वो हाथ था इनवॉइसिंग में, वो हाथ था कैलकुलेशन में। तो सोचो आप एक बिजनेस चला रहे हो, 14-15 लोग आपके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, डीलिंग विद सम ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री, यू डीलिंग विद सम ऑफ द बेस्ट पीपल राइट फ्रॉम नंदन नीलेकानी टू NASSCOM, व्हाटएवर यू नेम अ थिंग। हम सब वो काम कर रहे थे, उस लेवल पे आपका काम चल रहा था, यहाँ पे आप स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो कि आपको टैक्सेशन नहीं समझ आ रही है, आपको GST नहीं समझ आ रहा, आपको रिटर्न्स में इशू आ रहा है, यू डोंट नो हाउ बैलेंस शीट्स आर क्रिएटेड, ऑल ऑफ दैट। That was something, and language सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी तो लैंग्वेज, किसी को टर्म शीट नहीं पता कि कोई एक्सीलरेटर को क्या बोल रहा था, और आज की डेट में भी ऐसे लोग हैं जिनको ये नहीं पता होता। एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट यू नो लाइफ में पता नहीं चलता कब कहाँ कैसे जरूरत पड़ जाए। Entrepreneurship today honestly is a life skill. I personally believe that everybody should know about this skill set. आप जिंदगी में कभी entrepreneur बनो ना बनो is a choice that you make. See, I started my entrepreneurship journey at the age of 38. You will listen to two of my brilliant teammates, Nitish and Surinder. Both of them are with you in person. They have brilliant stories of their own to tell. We've all made our mistakes. We've all had a very, very tough thing. And as of today, we are together, Nitish and Surinder and I and this entire ecosystem, because we feel that we wish that we can, you know, make someone's life easy, someone's journey faster and easier. I have two children, 18 and a half, 14 and a half. My son is already running 2 startups on the side because उसके दिमाग में भी वो entrepreneurship का कीड़ा हमने बहुत पहले डाल दिया था. My daughter is doing the entrepreneurship program with TIE. This is her second year. In fact, इतना driven है ये लोग कि last year she was in class 8. They actually broke the rules for her because entrepreneurship for young entrepreneurs was that the program was only for class 9 to 12. She was in class 8 last year. वो फिर भी she went ahead. This time she's doing it again because she's अब तो मैं legit 9th class में आ गई हूँ. So personally, I believe that entrepreneurship is a skill set which is very, very important for everybody, all children, across ages, across genders, across any kind of a subject that you are doing. It doesn't matter whether you are a commerce student or an arts and design student, it could be anybody. But I think it is a huge, very, very valuable skill set which all of us must carry. At the end of it all, I must tell you all that do think about entrepreneurship as an option. I really don't want everybody to become an entrepreneur. It's perfectly fine if you're running your dad's business, your mom's business, or if you plan to pick up a corporate job. You're all, I think, somewhere in your 20s, give or take 2-3 years, aage piche. I mean, you're all there at this age in life. I'll just say that open your minds a little bit, give new things a shot, be open to learning. The only 3-4 things that really worked for me as an entrepreneur, I mean, if I would like to define myself to be successful, in my own words, with me as a benchmark, I was this kind of woman जिसको मतलब टेक्नोलॉजिकली इतनी चैलेंज होती थी मैं कि मतलब एक गाना भी मुझे अपने लैपटॉप से फोन पे लाना होता था तो मैं 10 दिन पीछे घूमती थी किसी को बोलते हुए कि कोई तो ही कर दो मुझे गाना अपने फोन पे चाहिए गाना में दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड टुडे यू आर सिटिंग यू आर वर्किंग विद सम ऑफ द बेस्ट AI/ML कंपनीज इन द वर्ल्ड वी डन सम ग्रेट वर्क इन सिलिकॉन वैली आप उनके साथ काम कर रहे हो सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू परसीव माय सेल्फ फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट टुडे. And I just feel there is a lot more to learn. There are, वो कहते हैं ना, my favorite lines, miles to go before I sleep. That beautiful poem by Robert Frost. That's what defines my life. Having said that, 3-4 things really worked in my favor, and something that I'm sharing with you, something that I tell my own children as well, is that one, always be open to taking small amounts of risks and learning. आप अपने कमरे में, अपने हॉस्टल के कमरे में, अपने घर के कमरे में, अपने छोटी सी जिंदगी में चेयर में बैठ के आप दुनिया का एक्सपीरियंस आज ले सकते हो बिकॉज यू हैव द इंटरनेट. हम लोगों के लिए लाइफ बड़ी मुश्किल थी व्हेन वी वर यंगर बिकॉज वी कुड डू द थिंग्स दैट वी वांटेड टू डू बिकॉज वो एक्सेस ही नहीं था हम लोगों को. टुडे प्लीज यूज द इंटरनेट, figure out things. See, I'm a master's in English literature. I don't have any digital marketing experience. I have no experience in running a business. Whatever I have learned today has been through the internet. आपको भी पता है, आपका दिल करेगा गिटार बजाने का, सीखने का, तो you can just go on the knitting if you don't find a great teacher around you. You want to learn cooking, you can find out the best recipes there. You want to do Python as a language, you can do it. आपको कुछ भी करना है, the internet is at your feet, the world is at your feet. Please make good use of it. ठीक है, आप अपना पार्टीज भी करो, एंजॉय भी करो, रिलैक्स भी करो, डू ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट boys and girls, this is the time in life when you can actually figure out a lot of new things. You have no risks, कोई पैसे नहीं लगते, कुछ नहीं लगता. I'm telling you, till date, in about 8-9 years, I probably the time when I made my son do a digital marketing course was the only time I spent 5,000 rupees on learning a new skill. The rest, everything was hours and hours of time spent on the internet, just trying to figure things out. So, first part, always be open to learning. दिल करता है करो, take chances, take a risk, and कोई tension, कोई आज तक मरा नहीं overwork से. अगर आप सोचो, because I know I keep hearing this from young students all the time, मैम क्लास है, मैम पढ़ाई है, मैम फलाना ढिमकाना, कोई बात नहीं, सब हो जाता है. You just have to prioritize right. It is tough. It is never going to be easy. किसी ने जिंदगी तुम्हें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नहीं लिख के दिया कि तुम्हारी जिंदगी आसान रहेगी. The world doesn't owe you shit. I will tell you this on your face. जो भी अपनी जिंदगी में खुद ही करना है. Your parents are there to support you, your siblings are there to support you, but it's your life at the end of it all. You decide what time, what you want to do, how you want to do it. And yes, there are no rules. If I had any rules, if I had anything to tell you कि boss ये 4 चीजें कर लो जिंदगी में super successful रहोगे, if I knew that to be correct, I would be a sitting billionaire everywhere. मेरे पास Caribbean islands में islands होते हैं, which is not true. So all we can do is just come, share our stories, tell you how difficult it was, how we did, what we did to crack it. So part 1 was that. Part 2 is never ever get your ego into the picture when you are trying to learn something new. My mentor was the harshest person in the world. उनके साथ काम करना मतलब दिन में 3 बार ही रोने धोने का सिस्टम चालू होता था. I was unprofessional. I was a housewife. So I really didn't know how to handle it. कि जब कोई तुमको डांट रहा होता है बोलने के लिए काम में रोना नहीं होता है उस टाइम पे. लड़की हो चाहे लड़का हो, मैरिड हो नहीं हो, बच्चे हैं नहीं, you don't cry. That's unprofessional. मेरे साथ तो ऐसे इतने सारे इंसिडेंट्स हुए कि मैं क्लाइंट भी डांट रही है तो उसमें भी मैं रो रही हूँ. मतलब डोंट इवन आस्क फॉर द काइंड ऑफ अनप्रोफेशनल I must have showed in the first 2 years. It took a lot of time to learn. But having said that, don't have your ego in the thing कि ये काम बहुत छोटा है, ये नहीं मैं करूँगी, ये नहीं करूँगा, ये मेरे को ये काम क्यों दे दिया. ये कोई काम जिंदगी में अगर आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो, जिंदगी में कोई काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता. कभी भी चीज को मत सोचना. I am telling you, एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल आपको देती हूँ. I was younger ना, so my mom used to always say कि तुम झाड़ू पोछा लगाओ, तुम डस्टिंग करो, तुम बाथरूम साफ करो, तुम सब कुछ करो. So I used to always say कि मम्मा मेरे से इतना फिजिकल काम करवाते हो, मतलब I mean I just want to get married into a family जहाँ मुझे झाड़ू पोछा थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा. या हम अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास मेड्स हैं, हमारे पास सर्वेंट्स हैं, आप मुझे क्यों कराते हैं. And I loved what her answer was. She says कि बेटा झाड़ू पोछा सही ढंग से कराने के लिए भी पहले खुद करना आना चाहिए ना तुमको. आप क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दोगे मेरे को, आप सर्वेंट को क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दोगे कि कैसे झाड़ू पोछा लगाना, when you yourself don't know how to do it. So जिंदगी में बेस लेवल, ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाके काम करना अगर सीखोगे ना, I am telling you सबसे अच्छा बेस्ट फाउंडेशन बनेगी दुनिया. I have a very dear friend who is a Fortune 500 consultant, okay, for Fortune 500 companies. And वो आज की डेट में कहते हैं कि देखा मैं कंपनीज के CFOs, मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, it must be 1000 CR कंपनी के CFOs हैं, उन लोगों को अभी तक एक्सेल शीट नहीं पता कि एक्सेल शीट कैसे बनाते हैं. And this is across the board. इसे मैं उनको लिटरली बैठ के बना के दिखाता हूँ, ये ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है. कंपनी का चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर उसको एक्सेल शीट नहीं बनानी है. और ऐसे मल्टीपल एग्जांपल्स. एवरी डे वी आर डिस्कसिंग समथिंग. सो टुडे दिस हैपेंड, टुडे दैट हैपेंड. यू डोंट वांट टू बी दैट प्रोफेशनल. दैट इज पार्ट 2. पार्ट 3, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वन, दैट इट इज योर जर्नी, इट इज योर लाइफ. You are accountable for it, and that is what adulting is all about. आप हमें after 18 we have to stop telling the world कि ये चीज उसकी वजह से खराब हो गई, ये चीज उसकी वजह से खराब हो गई, ये उसने किया, ये उसने किया, उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए, उसको अच्छा. मैं बॉस तुम्हें आज एक बात बताती थी, जो करना था ना तुम्हें को करना है. The world doesn't owe you shit. I told you that before. It doesn't mean anything. किसी का कोई यहाँ पे हम किसी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में नहीं लिखा कि माँ बाप ने ये करना, भाई बहन ने करना, फैमिली को ये करना चाहिए, दोस्तों यार को ये करना चाहिए, कहीं कुछ नहीं है. There is nothing, there are no contracts. I'm telling you on your face. The sooner in life you understand it, the sooner you figure this out. You are on your own. ठीक है, आप सोशल फैब्रिक में रहते हो, फैमिलीज में रहते हो, वो सब अपनी जगह पे, बट योर प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल जर्नीज आर ऑल योर ओन. So figure it out earlier and stop blaming other people for things that go right or wrong in your life. When I say right also, क्रेडिट तो हम बहुत करते हैं, मेरे जैसे लोग बाहर लोगों को भी बहुत ज्यादा वो करते हैं, अरे थैंक यू सो मच, आपकी वजह से हो गया, थैंक यू. I'll give you a small example why I like to take the discredit and credit both. I remember I was speaking at a similar conference a couple of years back, weeks back in fact, and I was saying, I said, 99.9, coincidentally my mentor was also on the same session. So I just said, आपकी वजह से ना 99.9% I am where I am today. I was genuinely grateful, very lot of gratitude I was showing and feeling very blessed, which I am. और दिल से आ रही थी बात को. तो उन्होंने मुझे बड़ी एक अच्छी सी बात की, सर नहीं देते का थोड़ा क्रेडिट तुम्हारा भी है. तो मैं हंसने लगी, मैं कहा नहीं सर आप नहीं होते, ये नहीं होते. तो ये सर नहीं देते का, I'll explain the difference. He says, you do understand that you are not my only mentee, you are not the only person I'm mentoring. मैंने कहा आपका मतलब क्या है? He says, मेरे पास 100 बंदे आ गए, मैं 100 लोगों को आज के टाइम पे mentoring दे रहा हूँ. Only 4 people have reached where you guys have reached. सब लोग नहीं successful हुए. So give yourself some credit also. मतलब उस दिन मेरे थोड़ा सा छाती चौड़ी हो गया था, okay fine, मैंने भी कुछ किया, मेरा भी कहीं पे contribution है. I also put in hours and hours of work. So learn to take the credit and the discredit. And जितनी जिंदगी में accountability आप अपने लिए रखोगे, you will be better off. Thank you so much. That's all that I have to say. I can't hear you all, but I hope I'm making some sense to you. Thank you so much for having me on your platform.
Rest, there is something else. So that I am not sharing it with you, what is there in rest of the slides. But before that, we need 4 volunteers from our Young Aspiring Entrepreneurs, YAE, of City University. So 2 volunteers we'll pick from the middle and 2 from the back side. Front side row, please. मेरे को माफ कर देना, मैंने आप लोगों को चूज नहीं किया because we have to complete it in 15 minutes. So 2 volunteers from the middle and 2 from the back side, right? Let's have one. Your good name?
Abbas Ahmad Raja.
Abbas is the first one. Please come. Please go to the front side. Sukhman. Shivam. Shivam is the third volunteer. So we have chosen 4 volunteers from our Young Aspiring Entrepreneurs. Please come on the stage and let's switch off the lights. Acha, should we communicate in English only or it should be a mixture of English, Hindi and Punjabi? Both? But I think we have you can say we have students from across the borders also. So थोड़ी बहुत मैं पंजाबी विच मिक्स कर लांगा, मेरी पंजाबी थोड़ी टुटी फुटी है, तुसी एंजॉय कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Let's have 4 of you on the stage and can we switch off 2 of the lights? So I am showing you around 8 quotes on the screen. Right? 8 quotes on the screen. You have to stand by your quote. That means whichever quote you like, you have to read out that particular quote. First slide is having 3 quotes, another second slide is also having 3 quotes, and third slide is having 2 quotes. We call it as I stand by my quote. Now, why you stand by your quote, you will come to know later on. So, these are the first 3 quotes. Just read it. I'll take you through all those 8 quotes, and then you have to tell me which particular quote you stand by. First 3 quotes, once you have read all the 3 quotes, let me know. Done? Should I go to DEF now? Done? Okay, the last 2 quotes. Now please come on the stage. Please come. All 4 of you. Why you are taking your shoes off? So should I repeat all the 8 quotes once again? Right from slide 1. Now you can choose your quote and you can tell me about that particular quote. We'll start with you first. Can you just read that first quote?
From small beginnings come great things.
Okay, please go there. Should I take you to other slides also? D. Okay, so you can also stand with him. Again, should we go to the first slide or? Okay, first we change before you have to. Please. Which one? C? C, okay, next slide. A failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Okay, so we'll start with Sukhman first, right? Sukhman. Okay, so Sukhman ने choose किया है. She has chosen the quote: "Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough." So why this is your favorite quote out of all those 8 quotes? Can you please share with all of us present here? Please, quickly, we have only 15 minutes. Are you able to hear what Sukhman is saying? Hello, hello.
Because when we want to succeed in our life, we have to face the failure and problems. Only failure and problems will tell us the right way to succeed.
And do you have any story related to this particular quote from your own life? No? Fine. So thank you, Sukhman, and we'll come to you. Your favorite quote was D. That was the purpose. Okay. It was B. Change before you have to. So what is the reason behind this? Why this is your favorite quote?
As a human being, we all have ambition and an aim in life in our lifetime. So, to achieve that, we have to change our goals. Firstly, we have to change for achieving that, and then so that in different manners, so that we can have a good achievements to achieve our goals.
So can you share any example from your own life which motivates others also to
Yes,
change before
suppose firstly we are especially for students we are carefree person, but by having a good a big dreams, but if we keep going like a carefree person, or if we neglect our studies and everything and all, so that we may not be able to achieve our goals. So the most important thing is to change our life first, so that that will change our own lives, and then finally we get to achieve our goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, the two quotes that both of you have chosen has a story behind. Well, you have a story behind that particular quote. Now, let's come to Abbas.
Good morning to you all. I am Abbas Ahmad Raja here by name. So I would like to share my opinion with this. The purpose of a business is to create a customer who create customers. So the most important thing in a business is firstly to create a customer. And for example, like me, yeah, here I'm in India, I'm studying here in City University, and I'm a businessman. I'm doing international business, exporting goods from like Mumbai, Punjab, Delhi to my country, Nigeria. So, and the most important thing in that is to create the customers, because they are those that will buy your goods. Yeah, so that's the most important thing in a business, to create a customer space, because like me, yeah, I'm a businessman, so I know all such things.
Thank you so much, Abbas, for sharing a little bit about the background that you carry and the kind of the reason why business is to create customers, who creates customers based on your own story from your own family. So thank you so much. And which was the last quote that? Okay, quote A. Any reason why you like this quote?
Yes, because here it says from small things beginning come great things. हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है कि कोई भी चीज़ स्टार्टिंग से बड़ी नहीं मिल जाती, हमेशा उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई छोटी चीज़ होती है, चाहे वो बिजनेस हो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो या कुछ भी हो, हमेशा स्टार्टिंग से शुरू होती है, वो भी बहुत छोटी चीज़ों से। हमेशा कभी भी कोई चीज़ बड़ी से नहीं मिलती, चाहे वो बिजनेस ही हो, चाहे वो कोई भी काम, कोई भी डेवलपमेंट हो।
So thank you so much. All of you can take your seats, and I'll again come back to the crowd. I think there are a lot of people who want to share something. So that is the reason they are talking to each other, right? So my story sessions jada ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ at different places. What do you think? What is the reason for my story sessions? Quickly give me an answer, because in another 5 or 7 minutes I'll share my story also. Why do we do my story sessions? Anybody would like to share?
As we know what other has faced, or what the other has faced the challenges, or we can, if we are in that situation, we know how to deal with that situation, or how we can tackle, or how we can tackle that situation, or we can get a better experience by knowing that in this situation we can do it in a proper way or in a great way.
And what was the purpose? I showed you this, I stand by my code. So what was the reason for this particular thing? Why we invited 4 volunteers from all of you? पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਨਸਰ, ਹਿੰਦੀ ਵੀ ਜਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵੀ। कोई चक्कर नहीं, गला खराब है कोई चक्कर नहीं, बोल के गला थोड़ा खुल जाए। अब माई स्टोरी सेशन ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੋਰਸ ਲਈ ਅੱਗੇ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹਦਾ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਸੀ? ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਪਾਇਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ।
ਸਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਆਫ ਵਿਊ ਜਾਣਨ ਲਈ।
ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सो स्क्रीन ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਅੰਡਰਸਟੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਚੇਂਜ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਦੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ 2-3 ਮਿੰਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ। whenever we talk about change or the way things are going now, ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਫਾਸਟ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, if we don't change ourselves, we will be soon out of the market. So that is the reason ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਗੇ जेके शर्मा सर, अतिप्रिया सर और डॉक्टर महेश्वरी, इस तरह के कई इनिशिएटिव्स सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, in which you get an exposure to work with industry people also, right? So when we talk about change, we all go through 4 stages. ਜਿਹੜੇ first 2 stages ਹੁੰਦੀ हैं, that takes you to the past, and the last 2 stages takes you towards future. So what are those stages? पहली stage होती है denial. Denial means I am in comfort zone. My father says, "Bete, please start going for morning walk from tomorrow onwards." अच्छा मेरी नेचर इस तरह की मैं उठाऊंगा नहीं सवेरे जल्दी, मैं कहूँगा यार ठीक है पापा जी शुरू करूँगा मैं करना देखना. So regardless of whether the change would be positive or negative, I'll be having a denial mode. I'll be in my comfort zone. Then comes the resistance stage. My father is insisting, Hitesh, you should go for a morning walk. मैं कहूँगा चलो ठीक है ट्राई कर लेना, पापा इतनी बारी कह रहे ने ते कर लेने यार. ते what I am doing in resistance stage is I'll also quote certain examples in front of my father. Oh, Surinder ji also tried going for morning walk. Do you think there was some change in his, you can say, weight या health में कोई change हुआ? कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. वो क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि इन्होंने अपनी eating habits ने ठीक की थी. ठीक है? तो resistance stage which up to an extent I am ready to change myself, but I am blaming either a person or a situation. Things can't happen here, so let it be the way it is going. And trust me, I think we are around 250 people here. 70% of us, we get stuck to these 2 stages. अपन तो आगे जानते ही नहीं. Only 30% of the people they enter the 3rd stage, which is called the exploration stage. So जिस तरह नई चीजें मार्केट में आ रही है, we 30% of us we are ready to experiment those things. We are ready to see what are the possibilities, and whenever we experiment, certain times, sometimes indecisiveness भी होती है, chaos भी होता है, and sometimes you are full of energy, and sometimes we feel down with energy, right? And the last stage, which is the commitment stage, is one such stage in which out of 250, around 5% people will be able to reach the last stage. And those people who enter the last stage, commitment, are called as change leaders. और वो ही 5% बंदे, 95% of the remaining people, they come along with them. So those 5 people, they take along those 95% people along. Why I am sharing this is because this is very important for you to know about when we go through change, what all stages we go through, and it also has a linkage with my own story, because I am a human capital transformation and change management consultant. And when you go through my story, you will be surprised to see what kind of changes I had in my life. Right? So, A मैं explain नहीं करूँगा. This is again linked to your the 4 stages. The first stage was denial, which was comfort zone. Second stage was resistance, which is your fear zone. Third stage was exploration. So that means you all are attentive here, right? So exploration means learning zone, and 4th stage was commitment. So you all are committed now, right? So I hope we all will move in between growth zone and learning zone. So if we are moving between these 2 zones, trust me, कोई भी चीज हमें रोक नहीं सकती. ठीक है? So coming to my story, you see 4 photographs on this particular slide. So see how Hitesh used to look earlier. So there is also story behind this, sir. So then second, then third, बाल उड़े नहीं हैं. I stopped using hair color in year 2013. So since then I adopted this hairstyle. And एक चीज और मैं दसना, for first 2 years I struggled like anything in front of my mother and in front of my wife, because वो कहते हैं गंजे नहीं होना, मैं कहती मैं गंजे ही होना. ठीक है? So this was 2013 onwards, and this is what you are seeing now. Last one. So let me take you through that particular journey. So the first 4 years I started my career as a graphic designer. That was in year 2001 with Commonwealth Youth Program Asia Center in Chandigarh. And then I was into operations, where I was handling a contact center in Cox Systems. So I was there for almost 2 years. Then I started my own business in the year 2004, which was a placement consultancy by the name of The Shapers. And Since 2004 to 2013, I was into a business of recruitments as well as I was into operations also. Because these 9 years I have been into product management also. So HR and operations was the next 9 years. Then came 2013. So while I was working on this recruitment project, I also got an opportunity to venture into the area of business consulting with one of the consulting companies in Gurgaon. So apart from recruitments, I also ventured into business consulting and I started with streamlining HR processes and policies for organization. So that was the next change in my particular, you can say, life. And 2013 onwards to till 2017, I was doing HR interventions, or you can say HR advisory, process development, and a bit of trainings also. Not too much into trainings till 2017. But after 2017, there was a drastic change. Apart from HR advisory and this operations part, I ventured like anything into trainings also, which Sharma sir also knows. So उस टाइम क्या होता था कि जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आई एम फ्रॉम एचआर एंड ऑपरेशंस बैकग्राउंड, बट टिल नाउ आई हैव टेकन ट्रेनिंग्स ऑन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आल्सो. आई हैव टेकन topics related to psychology also. Again, the background of HR has helped me. So if you see the entire story, along with this, as Aditi also shared about my association with different bodies, I always had this thought in my mind: throw yourself to anything and do it. किसी चीज के लिए मना नहीं करना. हाँ, बट उसको ये नहीं मैं करता था कि ज्यादा डेविएट करके बाहर चला जाता था. But I tested myself like anything, and till now I am testing, and I'll keep doing this testing in future also. Right? Lastly, before sharing the conclusion part, because again we are going beyond the time, the conclusion part, I have shown you a Chinese bamboo plant called Mozo. Do you know what does this Chinese bamboo plant or how this particular plant grows? कुछ आइडिया है तो ये चाइनीज बैम्बू प्लांट मोजो किस तरह ग्रो करता है? एनीबडी नोज अबाउट इट? नो? ओके, लेट मी शेयर इट विद यू. दिस चाइनीज बैम्बू प्लांट हैज अ हॉरिजॉन्टल ग्रोथ फॉर फर्स्ट 5 years एंड इन द 6th year इट शूट्स लाइक एनीथिंग. तो मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि whether if you are venturing into entrepreneurship or any other area also, try to make your base in such a way so that the 6th year, again 5 years is a too long time, but you can reduce the time part. Let's say 2 years or 3 years. Make your base in first 2 or 3 years like anything, like the 3rd year you shoot like anything in your particular business. And lastly, to conclude, 2 or 3 things I would like to share. First, if you want to venture into entrepreneurship, change your orbit from acquiring knowledge to outcome of knowledge. किसी चीज की knowledge होना sufficient नहीं है, उधर तो results की आएंगे वो बड़े जरूरी हैं. Second is have a child syndrome in you. मैं जी consultant हाँ, मैं teacher हाँ, मैंने ना दोस्तों मेरा 20 साल का experience हो गया जी, मैंने सब कुछ आंदा है. जे मेरे विच ये चीज आई ना मेरा learning curve automatically down जाएगा. If I am having that child syndrome, that means insatiable curiosity to learn new things. We'll go like anything in our particular career. And third is never stop experimenting in your life. Experiment with yourself into related fields, because that will give you a path to scale up from your current business. How you can diversify, right? So this is all about my story. Thank you very much, Aditi.
And inspiring too. We are really obliged to have such an esteemed personalities between us. And I personally believe that my students have accepted your core mantra of the 4 stages and all those other lessons also that you taught of learning being a never-ending process and implementing that into your life and how you can grow yourself and upscale yourself when you have learning like as your core mantra in your life. Next we have Mr. Surendra Vikram Singh. He is CEO and co-founder to VT Networks, I would like to call you, sir, on the stage to kindly introduce the TIE University, TIE Chandigarh. To introduce our speaker, Mr. Surendra is co-founder and CEO of Netwells, a software development company which specializes in providing program.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks, Dr. J.K. Sharma, for giving us this opportunity to be in august presence of all of you here. So it is always very, I would say, fascinating and exciting to be amongst the youth who is actually driving the generations and generations and taking us from one step to the other in the evolution of our country's growth and all those things. Though we already had the introduction of TIE Chandigarh, but let me just, because I know many people have just joined, so let me just repeat this thing again, what TIE Chandigarh is, or what TIE is. So TIE was founded in 1992 in Silicon Valley. It's an international organization with 61 chapters across 14 countries. It's a group of successful entrepreneurs, corporate executives, and senior professionals. TIE's mission is to foster entrepreneurship globally through mentoring, networking, and education. Dedicated to the virtuous cycle of wealth creation and giving back to the community, TIE's focus is on generating and nurturing our next generation of entrepreneurs, which we see in many of you. TIE Chandigarh is one of the most vibrant chapters across the vast TIE network. In the last 14 years, it has grown to 200 plus industry members and over 11,000 patents in the region, which includes who and who. So what TIE University program is? So let me clarify one thing, like you can kind of, the university word in the TIE University program might be misleading for some of you. It's not a university, it is a program to support the startups of the university. So that's how the name TIE University is. So TIE University is a leading program of TIE Global with the objective of fostering entrepreneurship among college and university students who either already have an early stage startup or those who are aspiring entrepreneurs. Even if you have some idea of some startup and you are just thinking to launch it, this program is again very helpful to you. This platform provides students and institutes to learn, work and scale with seasoned entrepreneurs and investors and transform the campus ideas into viable businesses. The enrolled students and institutes through the Chandigarh chapter can connect and network with the TIE global members and gain the priceless mentoring from charter members in the TIE network who are the real world entrepreneurs from different fields. So if you are enrolled in this program, so you get access to, you can interact with all the TIE members. आप उनसे डायरेक्ट वन टू वन मिल सकते हैं, उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, उनसे समझ सकते हैं कि वो अपने बिजनेसेस को कैसे रन कर रहे हैं, क्या चैलेंजेस उनको आ रहे हैं, क्या सपोर्ट आपको उनसे चाहिए, वो सारी सपोर्ट आपको उनसे मिलती है. One of the objectives of the program is to train the participants on the entrepreneurship as a life skill. जैसे रितिका ने भी बताया कि why entrepreneurship is a actual life skill. So वहाँ वो ट्रेनिंग आपको किसी कॉलेज में, किसी इंस्टीट्यूट में नहीं मिलती है. दो करिकुलम में, बुक्स में कुछ पॉइंट्स होंगे, लेकिन वो इतना जो आपको प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस है, जो प्रैक्टिकल मेंटरिंग है, वो आपको वहाँ कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज के रेगुलर करिकुलम में नहीं होती है. दिस इज व्हाट यू विल गेट फ्रॉम द TIE University program. Even if you want to start your career as an employee, you can still know what qualities could differentiate you from others. What are the expectations of your employers and how can you not only live up to them but also excel on those expectations from your prospect employers. So सिर्फ आपको अगर अपना एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने के लिए ही नहीं, अगर आप एक नॉर्मल जॉब में भी जाना चाहते हैं, वहाँ पे भी आपको जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स है वो कैसे आपको हेल्प करती हैं, ये भी आपको टाई यूनिवर्सिटी में सीखने को मिलेगा. This program will have multiple touch points as the focus is towards building the ecosystem. ये कोई theoretical program नहीं है. यहाँ पे फोकस ये है कि हम एक पूरा एंटायर इकोसिस्टम बिल्ड करें, जहाँ पे आप लोग आके एक जब उसका पार्ट बनते हैं तो आप उसको समझ सकें कि डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स क्या हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के, और आपने एक अपना जो आइडिया है उसको आप एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस तक कैसे लेकर जाएंगे, क्या स्टेप्स होंगे, क्या आपको स्किल सेट चाहिए वहाँ पे. The program will include these activities. ये एक कॉन्टिन्यूस एंगेजमेंट प्रोग्राम है. ये ऐसा प्रोग्राम नहीं है कि एक सेशन होगा और उसके बाद वो खत्म हो जाएगा. थ्रू आउट द ईयर 12 मंथ्स ये पूरा प्रोग्राम रन करेगा एंड ये डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज होंगी दैट यू कैन आल्सो सी ऑन स्क्रीन. इसमें हैकाथॉन्स होंगे, मास्टर क्लासेस होंगी, बूट कैंप्स विल बी देयर, वर्कशॉप्स विल बी देयर, My Story sessions will be there where industry leaders will be coming and talking about their journey. और उनकी जर्नी से you can learn कि क्या उन्होंने अच्छा किया, क्या वो बेटर कर सकते थे, क्यों वो बेटर नहीं कर सके उस टाइम, कहाँ पे वो लैक कर रहे थे, and how they actually overcome those challenges. Then you will get continuous mentorships. Mentorship एक वर्ड में समझाना is I guess is quite impossible, क्योंकि when you are working with established businessmen or a very senior professional, तो वो जो चीजें आप उनसे सीखते हैं वो उनका पूरी जिंदगी का सार होता है. जो उन्होंने 20 साल 25 साल अपना लाइफ में उन्होंने जो सीखा है वो आपको वो एक कंसंट्रेट फॉर्म में आपको दे देते हैं. यू लर्न ऑल दोज थिंग्स व्हाइल वर्किंग विद देम. So हम बोलते हैं ना कि learning by your mistakes. So I guess if you learn by going through someone else's mistakes is more, it makes more sense rather than you then make mistakes and then you learn by those mistakes, right? That's a very costly proposition. Then we have a business plan competition in the TIE University program, जहाँ पे आप लोगों का जो भी business ideas होंगे उसके लिए आप बूट कैंप्स और वर्कशॉप्स और मास्टर क्लासेस के थ्रू आप लोग ट्रेन होंगे. देन आप लोग एक अपना बिजनेस प्लान क्रिएट करेंगे और वो बिजनेस प्लान जितनी भी टीम्स होंगी आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी की, वो टीम्स आपस में compete करेंगी ऑन दोज फॉर दैट दोज बिजनेस विद दोज बिजनेस प्लान्स. और जो भी विनर होगा इस बिजनेस प्लान कंपटीशन का, दे विल बी देन पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द चैप्टर लेवल बिजनेस प्लान कंपटीशन. So the detailed calendar is available here and it is also available on the TIE University website. Apart from these, the students also get access to the global internship. अभी आप internship के लिए जाते हैं तो आप internship के लिए चंडीगढ़ चले जाएंगे, इंडिया में कहीं चले जाएंगे. But if you want to get international internship, then TIE University program is definitely helpful. So if you are a participant in the TIE University program, then the options to get internship with any of the member organization is possible. One another program to which students and institutes get access to is TIE University Community. So community is a game changer. If you are a participant once, you become part of TIE University community and have access to all the resources and people for even coming years. तो आप अगर टाई यूनिवर्सिटी का पार्ट बनते हैं तो ये सिर्फ 1 ईयर का नहीं है, ये आप 1 साल आपका एक्टिव उसमें मेंबरशिप रहेगा, बट यू विल रिमेन पार्ट ऑफ द टाई कम्युनिटी फॉर द इयर्स टू कम. सो आपके पास वो सभी रिसोर्सेज, वो मेंटरशिप, उस सब का एक्सेस आपके पास रहेगा फॉर द इयर्स टू कम. एंड देयर इज आल्सो प्राइज मनी अवेलेबल for the winners of the Global Pitch Fest competition and the prize money is $100,000. $1,00,000 का prize money है for the winners. And apart from all other funding options available to sail you through. So because once you get into this network जहाँ पे investors भी हैं, mentors भी हैं, angel networks भी हैं, you understand how things work. you are helped by mentors to get this, get access to this funding network, and which can definitely help you to take your idea towards an established business phase. If you have any questions or want to know about Thai University program, you can ask us just after the session. And of course, you can also visit our website, which is chandigarh.thai.org for any more details. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for addressing us and letting us go through with the Thai University program. Now, last but not the least, may I please invite Dr. J.K. Sharma, that's Dr. Jagdeep Kumar Sharma, who is Director Research, Industry Interface and Innovation, and also Coordinator to Technology Business Incubator, that's TBI, for City Business Foundation, City University, to kindly conclude these remarks and extend the vote of thanks.
थैंक यू दीदी एंड सबसे ज़्यादा शुक्रिया इन बच्चों का और फैकल्टी मेंबर्स का जो अभी तक हमारे साथ बैठे हैं फॉर देयर पेशेंस हियरिंग टेक बस 1 minute because all is running the time and we have to reach Jalandhar campus also. So एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और टीबीआई और इंक्यूबेटर, रितिका जी ने भी अपने एड्रेस में इंक्यूबेटर शब्द यूज़ किया था. सो ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मी एंड अतिप्रिय, वी हैव ट्राइड आवर लेवल बेस्ट टू रीच यू इन एवरी वे. आपके पास डिपार्टमेंट्स के पास मेल्स जा रही हैं, आपको ब्रॉडकास्ट मेल जा रही है, बट फिर भी उतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स हमारे पास आइडियाज़ का नहीं आया. Though we have received 13 ideas till today in just 1.5 months, and 11 of those have been already evaluated, and offer letter to seven student-led companies, student-led ideas have already been issued. So there is a wonderful opportunity, and to sensitize you people on incubation, entrepreneurship, startup. क्योंकि ये तीनों चीज़ें, तीनों टर्म जो हैं वो आपके लिए अभी एक न्यू बॉर्न बेबी की तरह है. आप जब यहाँ आते हैं तो आपको सिर्फ अपनी पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन आती है, आपको सिर्फ जो गेमिंग से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आती है. बट फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली आप लोग जो हमारी इंक्यूबेशन से रिलेटेड मेल्स हैं, चाहे वो अदिति कर रही हैं, चाहे वो अतिप्रिय कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो मेरे ऑफिस से जा रही है, उसकी तरफ इतना भी ध्यान जो है वो आप लोगों का शायद नहीं है, क्योंकि आप लोग फोकस हैं अपने एकेडमिया से. We do agree, but side by side we will not behind. हम लोग चुप बैठने वाले नहीं हैं. So आज का जो सेशन है, जो 2 सेशन पिछले हुए हैं, एंड आने वाले टाइम पे जो सेशंस ऐसे होंगे वो आपको लगातार हैमर करने के लिए हैं, आपको सेंसिटाइज करने के लिए हैं कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज देयर. आप अभी तक सिर्फ एक जॉब एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ से, बट हम आपको जॉब से ही जो है वो संतुष्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं. मैं इसको एक लाइन में ऐसे फ्रीज करता हूँ. जब हम एक जॉब की एक्सपेक्टेशन करते हैं तो हम हाथ को ऐसे करते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर बेगिंग समथिंग, एक जॉब चाहिए. बट यही फर्क है एक जॉब के लिए, प्लेसमेंट के लिए और एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए. जब आप जॉब के लिए बात करते हैं तो आप हाथ ऐसे करते हैं, बट व्हेन यू बिहेव लाइक एंटरप्रेन्योर तो यही हाथ जो है वो ऐसे हो जाता है, फिर वो 4 दूसरे लोगों को भी जो है वो जॉब देता है. सो बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. देयर इज वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी करंटली एट सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी. We have a City Business Foundation. It is a separate Section 8 company to inculcate and nurture the startup ecosystem. किन्हीं के पास अच्छा आइडिया है, evaluate कराइए. हम आपकी कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट करने के लिए आपको 20,000 रुपीस तक फंडिंग करते हैं विदाउट एनी एजेंट हेड. इसके अलावा जब आपका 0 to 3 months फेज जो है स्टार्टअप का, इंक्यूबेशन का, वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है, तो नेक्स्ट 3 फेज में हम आपको 3 लाख रुपए की जो सीड ग्रांट है, 1 लाख 1 लाख 1 लाख करके, वो आपको 3 लाख रुपए की सीड ग्रांट जो है वो भी देते हैं, एंड उस कंपनी को यहाँ इंक्यूबेट करते हैं. अगर आप लोगों में से कुछ लोग इन दिनों बी ब्लॉक के फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जा रहे हों तो देखेंगे कि उसमें काफी सारी चेंजेस आनी शुरू हो गई हैं. सो वी आर एस्टैब्लिशिंग द इंक्यूबेटर इन 7,000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया, एंड जो लोग अभी तक नहीं गए हैं बी पे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, वो एक बार उधर रूट जरूर लीजिएगा. सो देयर इज एन utmost wonderful atmosphere now, and we are thankful to the management as well as to the my HOS community those who have taken a very personal interest and sending the students for incubation. Good opportunity there. Take the opportunity and take a lead. With my these words, once again on behalf of City University and City Business Foundation, I extend my warm welcome and thanks to my friend Hitesh ji, Surinder ji and Ritika ji who visited online, and my one of the best colleague Professor Maheshwari. Always he is always supportive, always, and जो जिनके ऊपर मैं हमेशा डिपेंडेंट रहता हूँ, he is the one guy, अति प्रिय and his team, उनको बोल दो कि अति ये प्रोग्राम, हाँ सर हो जाएगा, बस हो जाएगा, जब ये कह दिया तो हो जाएगा। अभी भी ये थोड़ा टेंशन में है, 2-3 बार नीचे आके जाके, तो मैं इनको बता रहा था कि जब प्रोग्राम लेट, एक गाड़ी जब लेट हो जाती है तो फिर वो लेट ही हो जाती है। एक मिनट के लिए चुटका सुनाता हूँ, एक स्टेशन पे ना एक गाड़ी, वो गाड़ी की रेपुटेशन बन चुकी थी कि वो लेट ही आएगी, तो वो अक्सर उस स्टेशन पे वो गाड़ी जो है वो 6 घंटे, 7 घंटे, 8 घंटे, 12 घंटे, 13 घंटे, 15 घंटे तक लेट आती थी। अब पैसेंजर भी अभ्यस्त हो चुके थे, हैबिचुअल हो चुके थे, तो एक दिन जब जो उसके रूटीन में वहां से जाने वाले आए, तो वो एक गाड़ी जो है, वही वाली गाड़ी जो है वो 15 मिनट पहले आ गई। तो अब लोग हैरान कि यार ये पहले कैसे आ गए, तो फटाफट माला वाला का इंतजाम किया गया। जैसे ही वो ट्रेन रुकी, 15-20 लोग जो डेली पैसेंजर थे, गार्ड साहब जिंदाबाद, ड्राइवर साहब जिंदाबाद, उनके गले में माला डाल दी, उनको खुश कर दिया। अब वो भी बड़े हैरान कि यार आज तक तो ऐसा वार्म वेलकम मिला नहीं। तो उन्होंने कहा भी धन्यवाद आपकी माला अर्पण का, आपके धन्यवाद आपका जो आपने ये हमको वार्म वेलकम किया है। इसका रीजन क्या है? तो उसने कहा जी रीजन ये है कि पिछले 10 साल 12 साल से मैं इस ट्रैक पे जो है वो चल रहा हूँ, आज तक ये गाड़ी का रिकॉर्ड था, ये कभी टाइम पे नहीं आई है और आज ये 15 मिनट पहले आ गई है। बोला भी आपके जो वार्म वेलकम है उसका बड़ा धन्यवाद। असल में ये गाड़ी कल वाली है, ये आज 24 घंटे अति कुछ प्रोग्राम जब लेट होते हैं तो फिर वो लेट होते चलते हैं। आपने तो फिर उसके बाद अभी हमने नीचे यहाँ बैठ जाना, आई हैव टू ट्रैवल अलोंग विद हितेश जी टू जलंधर अगेन, कम बैक टू इन द इवनिंग। सो बहुत सारा शुक्रिया आप लोगों का, लेकिन मेरी रिक्वेस्ट आप लोगों से रहेगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पर स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज के बच्चे ज़्यादा हैं, इंक्यूबेशन की जो फैसिलिटी है गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी है। I will say simply golden opportunity, and golden opportunity in a 24 karat gold segment. जिनके पास कुछ अच्छा आइडिया है, जिनके पास आगे एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की लालसा है, जिन्होंने कनाडा जाना है उनके लिए तो वीजा लगा हुआ है, वो सोचा हुआ उन्होंने, उनके लिए नहीं, लेकिन जिन लोगों ने यहाँ बैठ के देश के अंदर हमारी जीडीपी को बढ़ाना है, हमारे यहाँ के एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सिस्टम को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है और सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी को आने वाले 10, 2, 4, 5 साल में कम से कम 50 अच्छी स्टार्टअप कंपनीज देना है, उनके लिए हमारे जो दरवाजे हैं इंक्यूबेशन के लिए, दे आर ऑलवेज वेलकम। वंस अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच।